Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle Fondin, and guess what? We are doing a contest for the next 48 hours for my sister Annette and my new deck. It's our first deck, actually. We've never even made a deck before. This has taken a year to make. We have a new Kickstarter campaign, and it is called A World of Answers Oracle Deck Contest. The next 48 hours. What does that mean? That means that if you go to Kickstarter, right at the link below, and you pledge $38 or more, because $38 is how you can get this deck, pledge $38 or more to our Kickstarter campaign, I want you to put in the comment section below, "I am in!" exclamation point. Once you pledge at Kickstarter, go "I am in" the comment section below, exclamation point. You can email me your first and last name at michellefondinauthor@gmail.com to let me know that you are in the contest. So after 48 hours, so by midnight Pacific time, that is Los Angeles time, midnight Pacific time on Friday, which is December 11th, 2020. So by Friday, midnight, if you pledge on our Kickstarter campaign starting today, today is Wednesday, it is December 9th, 2020. So starting today, if you pledge today, tomorrow, or Friday until midnight Pacific time to get this baby deck, and there are also other levels and prizes, including a twin flame reading from me and a Akashic record reading from my sister. So you can get this and help us with our campaign. So go ahead and click on that link below to pledge your support, to get our baby project funded, and because it's an all or nothing. I've never done Kickstarter before. Have you ever done Kickstarter? It is an all or nothing deal. I'm actually going to be pulling a card for the day, but I just wanted to show you. This is the front of the box. Look at that, isn't that cute? That's the front of the box. And this is our card deck. This one is in plastic still. So if you look at that, look to the side, see the thickness. There are 72 cards in this World of Answers deck. Now, what is this? What is the World of Answers, and what can you win? You can win this deck. You can actually win this deck with the box. And I will mail this out to the winner on Monday, December 14th. Now, look. We hope that our campaign will come to fulfillment. You can see our goal when you click on that link, but it's an all or nothing deal. So if we don't meet our goal, we don't get to make these cards. But we have some sample decks that we paid a lot of money for, because who knew? Making products is very expensive, but we have these sample decks and we're going to give them away to our viewers who pledge in contests. So I will mail this out to the winner on Monday. Now, our campaign isn't over until January 6th, which means that by the time fulfillment, we are looking to fulfill all the orders by April of 2021. But guess what? You don't even have to wait until April 2021 if you win this contest. I will mail this deck to you, free of charge to you. If you are the winner, I will mail it on Monday. I will announce the winner on Saturday. And it's just the people who are pledging their support in the next 48 hours. Just those people. So if there are 20 people, your chances are 1 out of 20. If it's 10 people, the chances are 1 out of 10. If it's 100 people, the chances are 1 out of 100. Of course, we're trying to get as many people to pledge as possible. The other thing that we really want you to do is like our Instagram. So my Instagram, Michelle S. Fondin, and Infinite Soul Love, which is my sister's Instagram, because guess what else we're gonna do? We're gonna have more juicy prizes because we're gonna do Instagram Live. So we're gonna do a live stream on Instagram. We're gonna do live stream on YouTube with some more juicy prizes for you guys. So, okay, what is this? So see, there's the cover. My sister lives in Paris. This picture was actually taken from her balcony. I'm not even kidding you. I am not kidding you. This picture of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France was taken from my sister's balcony. Crazy, right? And it was just through manifestation that she got this apartment. And like, she's not rich or anything. She just got this apartment through her manifestation power. So we're trying to manifest this, and we really, because we worked so hard on these cards, we really want this campaign to work because, of course, like I said, making products is super expensive. Who knew? I think for 5 decks, because the minimum we had to order were 5 sample decks. For 5 decks, I think we paid $500. These cards were literally $100 a deck. I am not kidding you. So of course things work in volume when you are ordering products. So that's why we're trying to get at least 1,000 decks sold so that the price is lower for us, it's lower for you guys, and you guys get a really cool deck. Now here's another thing I want to say. Go ahead, if you want to pause this video and go pledge your support on our Kickstarter campaign. Come back to the video, write in the comment section below, "I am in!" and then email me at michellefondinauthor@gmail.com so your name is on the list for the raffle that is taking place on Saturday. And share this with your friends who like to do card readings, and share this with your social media perhaps, so we can get all the pledges that we need to make this campaign go, to make these cards. And this will be the only way you can get this Angel Answer deck. Our Kickstarter campaign, the only way. That is the only way you will be able to get this deck, because like I said, we need to order in bulk. So this is the only way you can get these cards, and they are awesome cards, let me tell you. So there are 72 cards in this deck, 72. Now, why did we make these decks? These are answers. So I know that sometimes, especially if you are on this twin flame journey, sometimes you're just like, you wake up in the morning and you're like, am I on this twin flame journey? And you can pull a card from this and the angels will give you a message from this deck. Now, here's what I'm gonna do, because this deck has many cards. There are 46, I think, divination cards. We have the numbers 1 through 12 for timing. So if it's 12 days or 12 months or 12 years, or we have in a few weeks, in a few days, in a few months. We have yes and no cards. We have 4 of those. We have yes exclamation point, which is like, yeah, absolutely. We have a yes with no exclamation point, and no in the same way. We have maybe and not the right time. So we have many different timing cards as well. And I'm just gonna show you. So we are going to, and if we get a number, so I'm gonna take out some of the numbers here because I don't really want a number for the card of the day, because I'm not really doing a timing reading here. So we're gonna, and you can set the timing cards aside as you're doing this. And these are different answers. We've got 4 seasons too. So look at this. In the spring, woohoo! We've got in the summer, Aix-en-Provence, France. This is where I lived, in Aix-en-Provence, France. That's where I went to school. I went to college there. So we have 44 different countries represented in these cards. So on the Kickstarter campaign, we tell a little bit of the story of why we decided to create this deck. And we have 44 countries represented. Isn't that awesome? 44. And we didn't even plan that. Like, we didn't plan on it being 44. It just, when I was writing the text for the campaign, I just counted how many countries were represented in the cards, and it was 44. Go figure. Nice angel number there. So if you want to win this deck, and it's not this one, it's the one in the plastic wrap, right? If you want to win that deck in the plastic wrap, which is this deck, no matter what, if you want it mailed to you as you win this contest, guess what? Just pledge your support in our Kickstarter campaign. So we are gonna get, what is the angel message for today, which is Wednesday, December 9th, and it is 2020. So we're gonna get, what is the message, angels? What do you want to tell the viewers today? What is the message for today for these viewers to learn and grow on this twin flame journey, on this soulmate journey, on life journey? Okay, I'm just gonna show you this because it's kind of funny. So I think they wanted you to see this because it's really cute. So we've got New York, New York, and the answer is no. I love it. So the angels don't want you to know anything, but let's pick another card because that's not very fair. Okay, angels, what do I think they just want to showcase the cards, because we have checked in with our angels and guides throughout this entire process, through the whole entire process. And really with each message, we checked in with them. Is this the message you want us to convey? It took a long time, guys. It really took a long time to construct this deck. Okay, so angels and guides, what must the viewers learn today? What are the answers? I love this. Do more research. I love this. This is Trinity College in Dublin, Ireland. Okay. I love this. Do more research. So let's decode this for you for the message for the day. Let's decode this. Do more research is have you been thinking about starting a new job, starting a new career, going on a new path, or for example, finding a new home or a new apartment or new living space? Have you thought about that in the past week? Well, guess what today is all about? Today is all about doing the research. It's about not making a decision. Don't make a decision. Guess why? Because we got the no card. I wanted to pick that up and show you. We got the no card. It means don't make that decision yet. Do not make it. Do the research. Okay, Google, ask for reviews. If there's a big purchase you're wanting to make, look at all the reviews. If it's a home, look for other homes. If it's an apartment, look at other locations. If it's about a job, look for other jobs. Doing your research means there's still some information that needs to come to you. So the timing is not right to make that decision. The answer is no, because you need to do more research. So I just gave you an example of how you get to do these readings, how you can use these cards, and how you can move forward on your journey with heaven's guidance, with heaven's help, because sometimes we get stuck when we're trying to make decisions. Believe me, I use cards all the time. I use my intuition, I use angel channeling, but sometimes if I'm in the middle of like a split-second decision that it needs to be made and I want heaven's guidance and I don't have time to sit down and channel from my angels, I will turn to the answer cards and I'll get a quick yes, a quick no. And you can also separate those cards as well to get a quick yes, no, or maybe, or not the right time, or green light, go ahead, or a perfect timing card. So I always check in because I want to be aligned with heaven's guidance. I don't want to go against heaven's guidance. I really want to be in alignment with God. So I am so excited for these cards. I am hoping that you're willing to not only help to get us on our way on this campaign and to help us produce these cards and allow them to be spread out as we spread out the love to different clients, but also that you might get a little bonus by entering into our 48-hour contest. Here are the instructions again. Click on the Kickstarter link below. Go to our Kickstarter campaign for A World of Answers Oracle cards. Pledge in the amount of $38 or more. Now you want to do this before Friday, December 11th, 2020 at midnight Pacific Los Angeles time. Then email me at michellefondinauthor@gmail.com and you will be entered into the raffle for Saturday morning, which is December 12th, 2020, Los Angeles time. As your name is entered into the raffle, we will select a winner on Saturday, and on Monday, I will mail out this one in plastic. I will mail out your card deck. You will be the very first person to have our card deck in your hot little hands. And we will send that along to you as a thank you for pledging your support in our Kickstarter campaign. Then come back to the video, put in the comments section below, "I am in!" You can also like us, and I'll put the links above, at at our Instagram accounts. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel below. Click on that bell, scroll it to all for all notifications, and thank you for giving the video a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing this video with family, friends, on your social media. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.